Hi there, my name is Tom, and I'm a test prep expert and certified teacher here at Study.com. And if you are preparing for Praxis Elementary Math Content Knowledge 7813, Interpreting Data Displays, Data Interpretation, Reading and Interpreting Bar Graphs, Tally Charts, Pictographs, and Data Comparisons, I have some practice questions that you may find helpful as you prepare for the test. In this video, I will focus on multiple types of data displays and how to interpret the data. Okay, are you ready to get started? Let's take a look at some questions. A bar graph displays the number of pets owned by students in a class. Cats, 7 students, dogs, 12 students, fish, 5 students, and other 3 students. Which type of pet is owned by the most students? Is it A, cats, B, dogs, C, fish, D, other? All right, so we're looking at the keyword most. So most students, so the bar graph that would be the highest bar on the graph would be the greatest number of students. So we can see here that we have 12 students own dogs, so the correct answer here is B, dogs. A teacher recorded the number of books read by students in a week using a tally chart. What was the total number of students who read either 2 or 3 books? Choose an answer. A, 5, B, 7, C, 8, or D, 11. All right, so we're going to go to the table. There were 5 students who read 2 books, and there were 3 students who read 3 books by looking at the number of tally marks. So we're just going to add these together. So we have 5 plus 3. So we're going to get our answer of 8. So the correct answer is C. The pictograph shows how many pets each child has. Each symbol equals 2 pets. How many pets does Leo have? Is it A4, B5, C6, or D8? So we're going to go to Leo in the table here, and we can see that there's 3 symbols, and there's 2 each. So we're going to take 3 and multiply that by 2. So we would get our answer of C6. The table below shows the average high temperatures in Fahrenheit for 2 cities during the month of July. What is the difference in average high temperatures between city B and city A in July? All right, so the average temperature of city B is 92 and city A is 85. So we're just going to subtract 92 minus 85, and we would get an answer of 7 degrees Fahrenheit. So the correct answer is B. That concludes our video on interpreting data displays, data interpretation, reading and interpreting bar graphs, tally charts, pictographs, and data comparisons. For more practice, check out our Praxis Elementary Math Content Knowledge 7813 playlist. For even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to Study.com and check out our Praxis Elementary Math Content Knowledge Test Prep course. Those who use Study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest Praxis test updates, and please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.